going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. I've got a good one. I'm going to start the video off with a little conversation between a magistrate and an attorney about a sovereign citizen that they covered about a month ago. It's funny. It was worth adding a clip. And then I have the same magistrate shortly after having fun with a traffic ticket. Yeah. Okay. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Citizen arraigned some time ago, first week of August, I think. And the tape, the video, the YouTube has gone viral apparently. And there is a perfect scene when the guy first says that he's a non-citizen, or he declares on oath that he's a non-citizen. The camera went to you. There must have been some noise that wasn't the Canada geese. And you put your hand in front of your head like this. And it's just a perfect addition to the video.
I don't remember that. Well, how long ago was that?
It was August 6th.
Oh, we remember it. The internet never forgets. This is the exact clip that he was just talking about. Just a little snippet of it. I'll put the whole video link into the description if you want to watch this entire subset video again. But this is funny.
Name that I'm speaking of on behalf of.
Yes, I'm the executor of the illegis.
Oh, you are.
I'm the agent majority. I'm not a minor. I'm competent. And I would like to declare that I, Matthew Aaron Simpson, would like to state on oath, on the record, that I am declaring a national non-citizen.
Well, your status as a citizen is not really central to these events that bring us here.
And that was it. That was funny. All right, they're gonna finish up this conversation, but yeah, like I said, we heard the cane and the geese. Yeah, and he did put his face over his. He face palmed hard. All right, let's finish this up so we can watch the clip.
Last August?
Yeah, and it was a sovereign citizen who I do not recognize. I do not recognize. And
I don't remember that. It's only a month ago.
the way you just bent over and put your hand in front of your head was just
over my. Oh no, not another one. Well, I went through a lot. There was a period of time when I went through a lot of sovereigns and answered a lot of motions and briefs on the Treaty of Tripoli.
Well, at least they didn't start at the Magna Carta.
And the Barbary Pirates and everything else. Oh, God.
Sir Marshall, do you have Ms. Mason? You're saying.
All right, that was just a fun way to start the video. Now on to the clip I actually wanted to share. This is a parking ticket where there's a little bit of attitude going back and forth. The magistrate gets a little frustrated, the defendant gets a little frustrated, but it's all around. I'm not going to say it's funny. It's court, but it's a good one. Okay, let's go.
Citation bears the caption 24P15 9466. The ticket was issued on July 8th. The allegation is you were parked on Lafayette for 26 minutes, 46 seconds without paying. Do you remember what happened?
Yes, I do. Actually, this is an identical case that was placed earlier a few months ago and was dismissed because it was found that proper signage was not there, proper notification wasn't given. I actually was not permanently placed in the spot. I was moving back and forth, allowing parents of children that were in a play at the theater. And so what happens is it was was I at fault? Yeah, I was at fault. Did I know the rules? No. Were the rules posted? No.
What
And
rules
that
do
was
you
the
say were
summation
not
of the
posted,
last.
sir?
I'm sorry. Say that again.
What rules do you say were not posted?
Well, what happens is in
Didn't
most
ask you what
scenarios,
happens. I asked you what rules. You said the rules weren't posted. What rules weren't posted?
the rules about not being able to stand in a spot
That's
for
state law. They don't
15
have to
minutes.
post that.
I'm sorry. Say it again.
That's state law.
Well,
don't
guess
have to
what?
post
They don't. Sir, my apologies. I've actually gone through this same scenario within a week's time for the same instance, for the same occurrence, and it's been dismissed. You can look at my case. There actually should not be a reason to adjudicate the same cause, same reason, or the same application of the law more than once. Now, watch this. I admitted then the previous time that I was unknowledgeable of the law and that there was not adequate notification of the requirement. And in addition, there was question whether it actually was parked or standing in the spot for more than 15 minutes. What happens is parents were waiting for their children to come out of the play. Sometimes, depending upon the role that your child has, they have to talk to the director. So,
Where the photographs of your car in the space extend over 26 minutes and 46 seconds. There's no
correct,
ambiguity about that, sir.
Your Honor, that was a case where it was identified that we've been moving back and forth. There was more than one car in that space. Yes, my car was there consistently, on and off, moving back and forth, allowing more than one parent the space. But guess what? I'm the one that got the ticket. That's the reason why I'm appearing here. And that's also the reason why the case was dismissed previously.
How much time elapsed between the two tickets?
It was within less than a week or two. In other words, there was not adequate time for me to know the difference or even know that I got a ticket because I didn't know I had a ticket.
So your position is that you were in and out of the spot during that 26-minute period.
Correct. I was not standing in one place. However, it registered me as being in one place because it showed a vehicle there.
It showed your
And guess
vehicle.
what? My vehicle was there for 15 minutes on and off.
It was there at 8:27. It was there at 8:39, and it was there at 8:22.
Understood. So if in between those time periods in which you're stating, I'm moving, allowing people to come in and out to pick up their children or share more than one spot, because guess what? None of the
I'm
parents
not
at
going
this
to guess
location.
what anything.
All right, calm down, magistrate. Calm down. Like I said, both of them seem a little frustrated about what's going on here. But here's the simple explanation of this parking ticket. This guy is saving parking spots for the families of the children in this play. And so he would pull up to the front, save the spot. When he saw a kid come out and a parent would come pick up their kid, he would move, go around the block, and go back to the same parking spot. The problem is there's a camera that takes pictures. So the camera doesn't know that the guy's moving. They just see that the same license plate was registered at the same spot in this amount of time. So he was cited for a ticket. Now, he received 2 tickets within a week doing this exact same thing. Hopefully, he's not going to do it anymore because he doesn't want to waste his time in court. But he wasn't actually in that spot for the entire time. So, can he get a ticket? No, not really. That's you can't really do that. But why is he? I don't know why he thinks that that's his job to park in front of the place that you're not allowed to park at just to help other parents. I mean, I guess it's a good Samaritan type thing to do, but isn't he causing more traffic by doing that? I don't understand. All right, anyways, I'm gonna let this video play out. I hope you guys have a great day. If you haven't done it already, please hit that like button. Until next time, bye.
Your
Now
Honor,
tell me
I'm
to
not
guess
being
what.
hostile with you, and
Yeah,
this
you
is
are.
not an attempt to be to interact in
Then
argument.
don't tell me
It's not.
guess what.
I'm sorry. Maybe you misinterpreted my intent, sir. Maybe you misinterpreted
It
my
doesn't
intent.
matter here, sir. We're dealing with facts.
And that's all I'm trying to present here. And what happens is, in the last case in which, if you look at my
Which
previous
has no
ticket,
bearing on this case.
it actually does, because it's the same application of the law. And it's the same circumstance in the same vicinity.
I'm not saying it wasn't, but I'm saying it is not, it doesn't set a precedent for this case.
Your Honor, I
I
disagree
understand
with
your
that.
argument, sir.
I disagree with your statement, sir. Because what happens is, if you have the same circumstance, same knowledge, same
We've heard
scenario,
it, we've heard it. I'd like to hear from the parking manager. Ms. Dorch,
Yes,
when you wrote the ticket, did you have knowledge as to whether or not the vehicle left between the 3 photographs?
no, because I didn't physically write
That's
the
fine.
ticket. It was
On that
captured on
basis, I'm
video.
going to find the defendant not responsible.
I appreciate that, Your Honor.
You're all set, sir. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.